This video demonstrates lock lever replacement on an Impervia casement. The replacement process on an Impervia awning is similar. Unlock the window by lifting the lock lever. Open the window to the fully open position. Remove the screen by releasing the screen clips and removing the screen from the window frame. Place the screen in a safe location. Place the lever in the locked position. From the exterior of the window, insert an approximately 1/4 inch wide flat blade screwdriver straight into the opening and center the blade tip at the point where the cam and lever meet. Push the screwdriver against the lock cam and rotate the bottom of the blade toward the lock lever. This will push the lock cam away from the lock lever hood so the lever can be removed. Remove the lock lever by pulling it straight out toward the interior. In this view, the stop has been removed to demonstrate the lock lever removal process. Here you can see the screwdriver blade tip at the point where the cam and lever meet. Push the screwdriver against the lock cam and rotate the bottom of the blade toward the lock lever. To install the lock lever, make sure the cam is fully rotated into the locked position. Hold the lock lever in the locked position and insert it from the interior into the slot until it snaps onto the cam. Lift the lever to place it in the unlocked position. Reinstall the screen and push each clip to seat it into the frame. Close and lock the window.